So I don't know about you, but as a Jamaican, if the food not taste good, it just don't taste good, right? And we're not gonna pretend, we're not gonna try to make people feel good. And it might be bad, it might be a bad thing, but yeah, we like to skin up our face about it too if it not tastes good. So yeah, my pack almost done. One dege gizzard left in the pack, but I just had to give my review on the products that I sampled this week. And I say sample because definitely I will be reordering some stuff from Ditty's Island Delight. Love the packaging, and